Yeah, there we go. Well done, girls. Hey, a little trot in the front there. Doot, doot, doot.
They folded.
They folded.
Forced them off. That's very Berlin?
Or you scan with to or you scan with to thing. Fine, don't take a new car all the time.
Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. I think, yeah, Thursday. The days just blend together. Well, I just finished my morning devotions, and I decided I'm gonna like work through Psalms because it's one of my favorite books. So that'll be a nice place to start somewhere. I struggle to like get words out, so what really has helped me is to start a prayer journal. I just found this notebook and then I stuck it with stickers and made it all pretty, and then yeah, you just write in it how you feel in your prayers, and it's really nice because you can like go back and see what has been answered. I'm gonna get ready because we are going to the next town over to just go sightseeing, and it's gonna be lots of fun. So let's go. The Ambi.
My girl.
We've got reusable mugs yesterday.
Oh,
So we're
taking
yeah, what do you think of the picture? Oh, so like kind of upset. Oh, I'm on the wrong side. Kind of upset, but the view is so beautiful. Yes, here's the view. Hello guys. We got home about an hour or two ago. We had dinner, which was mac and cheese, very delicious, and dessert, which was millionaire shortbread. Really good. I wanted to show you what I got at the shopping mall. It was really fun. We had lunch. So this is what I bought. So I got this really nice gown. It is so soft. I don't have a gown. Someone not stole, but anyway. And I bought these 4 mugs. This is special anyway at Typo. This really awesome sports bra. I've been wanting a black one for so long because my last black one literally lasted me about 4 years from the same brand. I got this tank top. It is so pretty. It's got like these frills at the bottom. I also got this, also very nice. And I bought this beauty queen who is young and sweet and only 17. So this is really nice. It's like a corset top. It really shapes my waist and accentuates my chest, which is also very nice. And it's got like princess sleeves, and I'm really loving the princess sleeves at the moment, which is so elegant. And then I got these. It's little snakes, which is so cute. I've really been wanting a pair of these because it's just so pretty. They were both on special, which is so nice. That's just my shortbread. It was a gift from my friend. So awesome of her. I really love it. And I love the scent. It's just so nice. It smells not sweet, but like it just smells ladylike. And then she also got me purple mascara. Very cool. I don't know how I'm gonna use it, but it's still very cool. Makeup wipes. I do not condone makeup wipes. I use a makeup cloth. This pink one. I use a makeup cloth because I think makeup wipes contribute too much to the carbon footprint. Not using makeup wipes will help. Even if it's a small little impact, it still does so much more. She got me this really pretty lip balm. I thought it was a highlight, so I was gonna put it on my face, but it's lip balm. Isn't that nice? It's like holographic and pink. I'm just gonna shower and exfoliate my face because I've just had makeup on my face for so long today, and it feels like super dry and tight. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Good night. Good morning, everyone. I have not brushed my teeth yet, but it's time for devotion and breakfast. Yay! Need some more coffee. It's my second cup for the day. I don't know why, just the milk here is so good, and it's yellow, which is odd. Can't really tell. My sister's sleeping in the other room, so I'm trying to be considerate because that's the kind of person I am. Having my all-time favorite, Sweetie Peaks. There will always be dance party happening here on this exciting, fun place. When I go down, it looks like I don't have eyes. Like, look. They just disappear into the frames. Hey, puppy. Supposed to hold my hand like that. You must make me drop. Don't make me drop my croissant. So cute! thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And remember, stay authentic, stay kind. He loves you so much. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.